Hey guys, today I'm going to tear down this Acer battery. It's AS07B41 11.1 volts, 4 amp hours. It's for a whole bunch of Acer laptops, whole bunch of Acer Aspire, whole bunch of Acer Extensa, Acer TravelMate. I will add a short list to the description, so if you want you can take a look. This looks like a 6-cell battery. It should be 6 cells and each cell should be 2000 milliamp hours or just 2 amp hours, it doesn't matter. So let's see. I will. Okay, it seems like this one will work very easily. These are most likely Sony batteries. I don't like Sony batteries that much because most of the times they are gone, but I will still test them out and see if there's any life in them. Otherwise I'll just recycle them, and that's it. Let's see if this battery got discarded because of the cells or because of the PCB. Out of the many batteries I actually disassembled by now, I would say most, or at least more, the batteries go dead, and the PCBs, well, I would say less. So the chances that the PCB is okay and just like one, or actually most of the times 2 of the batteries are gone, because as the cells are in parallel, if one cell starts discharging, it will take out the other one as well. Okay, let's see. This one is 0, 0, 0, 0. This one is very bad. This one is quite bad. And these 2 are gone as well. Strange. Let's see if it's really... yeah. So the multimeter works just fine, that's what I wanted to test, but most of the batteries are actually gone. I will wake them up using one of the known ways to do that, but I guess most of these are no longer working and will have to be discarded. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching, bye!